Hello everyone. Today we will see code function and character function in Excel. So let's start. In this tutorial we will use this data set. Here we can see there is a data set. So we want to use code function on this data set. So first of all, what is code? Code function gives the ASCII code of any characters A, Z. These are characters 1 2 3 4. These are characters, or any these are special characters. All these are called characters, and there is a code, ASCII code, assigned in for every character. ASCII, ASCII, ASCII code. Okay, so if I want to know what is the code for this character, then enable code function, then select this text, closing bracket. So you can see 65 is the assigned code for character A. Now if I drag across this, we will get the relevant codes, relevant ASCII codes for every characters. Now if I want to get the characters from ASCII codes, we use character function. Here now character function is enabled. Now we have to give the number, that is the code, closing bracket. You can see 65A. A is code was 65, and if we want to know what is the character for this code, it is A. The same thing generated once again. So we will use code when we have to find the code from characters, and we will use character function when we have to find the characters based on ASCII codes. That's all for today. Thank you very much.